So good morning and welcome to another day, another vlog, another video. So good morning guys, how are we doing this morning? Yes, we're in a completely different location. The reason being is I'm going to go and fix the bike. Got a huge fucking weight on my back. So yeah, I'm going to go and fix the bike today. I'm hoping, I do say hoping, to get some video of what I've got to do. And you will see, hopefully. If not, I'll have to take some pictures if it does not. But it looks like it's going to fucking rain. Hopefully it's not, because I need to do the work outside. I am in no rush. I am in no rush at all. So the next time you will see me, I will have the bike on its side, hopefully, and I will be showing you what I can do, what I'm going to be doing. Alright guys, see you in a minute. As you can see, the new bar is on the bottom, down so. Couldn't change the gasket. The reason I couldn't change the gasket, I couldn't literally get this part here. I couldn't get undone. And I think that has something to do with this. So I'm going to call that off for now. Hopefully I've not caused any more leaks by undoing all the bolts. But we will see. I'm going to see if it still leaks, and then try and see if she works, basically, see if she leaks or changes gear and stuff like that. Right, okay, little update. Sorry, I was meant to be recording as well, but logistical hassles and stuff. Forgot to do this. What I've had to do is I've had to weld the bits and pieces on to start with, and then what I've got to do, I've got to drill the holes because I want this to be moved. Yeah, literally that's all I'm doing. So I'm just moving it forward a little bit because it's normally slightly too high. Don't know if you can hear me either, because I haven't got the external mic plugged in, but if I haven't, I haven't. Because it's catching on the metal underneath. My dad's an ex metalworks engineer, or metal engineer, so of course he's got all the vices and tools and stuff. Let it breathe a minute. No, always not forget even to put the tools away when we're finished with. It makes it easier the next time you go to use it. people, how are we doing? Yes, we are back. It is dark, so night vlog. Woohoo! Now it's just a continuation, guys, on today's bit of video. The gear mechanism thingy is on, that's done. The welding on the bar is now done. Had a little mishap with the fucking welding, and the mishap is never touch a weld. Yeah, never touch a weld, as in touch it, when you've just welded it, because you end up with burnt fingers, and it's fucking hurting me. But that's nice and solid, nice and smooth. That's better. I've got the whole toolbox still on my back. Didn't get the engine done either, which kind of pissed me off. That did. That didn't get done. Reason, bit of fucking bumpy road. The reason it didn't get done is I have to literally take other parts of the bike apart. Sorry, it's an extremely bumpy road. This was the last time I went down there, the bike cut out. But yeah, basically I didn't get that I didn't get the engine gasket on. I'm gonna have to throw that into a garage. I'm gonna have to put you in a garage, you know, so then I can get that done that way. And I'm sorry about the bumpy bump. And yeah, but I did the bar. It took fucking ages because I fucked up constantly. Like, I cut too much metal off because I wanted to hire it, which I shouldn't have done. I should have just done a repair and then fucking left it. But me being a fucking spazoid, me being a complete fucking moron, yeah, I thought I'd ingeniously try and raise it up. As you saw in the thing, I cut it and stuff. I didn't show you what I actually ended up doing. I ended up putting those plates back on because it just did not work whatsoever. So unfortunately I didn't do much on that, but I did do, if you know what I mean. And yeah, done what I needed to do, and that was basically a 5-minute fucking thing. So all I managed to do was repair the bar at the front. That's repaired, that's done. And the gear selector, the gasket that I wanted to put on, as I just said, I couldn't do it. So that's going to have to be done. I think that's going to have to be done in a garage, because it's just too much. And I've got a headache. As I said, burnt my fingers. I got flashed in the face by the welder. I didn't have a very good day. Came out in the daytime, gone home in the dark. Just shows you how long I've spent basically bugging around with the bike, but it'll do. I've got the gear selector working. I've got that done. That's just a peace of mind. And anyway, I'm going to see you later. Take it easy. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, guys.